better get a receipt, my brother. Look, she bending over. Lord have mercy. The Lord is my shepherd. He know what I want. Excuse me, brother. Miss Parker! Miss Parker!
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Klaiyi Hair. They sent me over this wig to show you guys, and I'm gonna be installing it glueless because I absolutely hate glue nowadays. I mean, if it's a special occasion, then I would glue it down, but child, I just have it sitting on my head like that. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I put this wig on, how I styled it, because it was not like this. I defined the curls. So you guys are going to see me defining the curls. And if you're interested in any products that I'm using, I always have it linked down below. Click my storefront. I label it and everything so you guys can find them easily. But yeah, let's get right into this video. It comes with a robe, and then it comes with goodies. Okay guys, so the sun went away so I could finally talk. So this wig is from Klaiyi Hair. I already washed this wig and everything, so I'm gonna just put it on really quick my glueless way. This is how the inside of the wig looks. It has 2 combs on the top and 1 in the back. It comes with an adjustable strap. I'm gonna put this as tight as it can go, and then I'm going to put my foundation in the lace Ruby Kisses number 14 always.
I will hold the grass against you. When you hold me, I forget to. I can never draw the line with you. Wish I knew what you were thinking, but I probably wouldn't change. So deep and I'm still falling you. The thing you say what I wanna hear, cause you know it's gonna get me hit every time I send it on.
Okay guys, one thing about me, I love wearing this back like so. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do my little trick of pinning down the sides with a bobby pin. Just pin down the sides going this way and make sure that it's in between the lace and it goes into one of my braids.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I get her the flea. Keep it pee. Never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tucked in the morning, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step off sweating, so I dress like baby D. Bitch, I'm cold, pussy ass under, you know it's giving cream. I got hope, when there's not enough, come build a nigga team.
If you want to do a half up, half down, you could just part it out like this. And you just put it up here. So I would just put a little ponytail holder. Okay, you could do like a little half up, half down. Super cute. You could do it tighter than this, but I'm not doing it tighter than this because I don't want my wig to lift up off of my head. So yeah, you could do like this, or you could do how I'm about to do. I wish I had some mousse, but I don't. Just put the hair down in the middle, and then I'm going to use some water to define it, just lightly, because water takes longer to dry. I'm going to detangle it a bit with my fingers. It's not defined, it's more like poofy. I mean, I could define it, but I really don't want to. This is really giving like natural hair. I did not define it or anything. I just sprayed a little bit of water. I mean, if you want to go in and define it, you can, but I really don't want to. I think I'm gonna go in and define it so you guys can see how it looks defined. Okay you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. I want to go ahead and define it now so you guys can see how it looks defined. So I'm just going to section it off into 2, and then I'm going to just wet it down.
Mr. Genius Idiot. I love that name.
a blunt for me this morning. Ooh, don't get me started. I just spent my last bit of finance just recorded. Sinking, it's an icebox where my heart is. Roll a whole lot more, young. Get so high, you can't touch me. You can't touch me.
I'll come back tomorrow once it's dried. I'll show you guys what it's giving. Okay guys, it's the next day and I had to make the wig air dry overnight because I don't have my diffuser, and this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on my head, and I think I'm gonna love it even more because it's really defined. Okay, so this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate the curls and fluff it up a bit. The top up here is kind of wet still, but yeah. I'm going to run my hands down. I did do some like ringlets with my finger.
See my friend, but see my she's been running me. Having up a day. One day, she gon' break my keys like Friday. Free. Run me my money today, day. My ass 2-step on a payday. Peanut butter seeds going nuts on the E-way. Baby, I ain't doing anything. Won't feel it, feel it. Got a feeling in my teeth, babe. I'm emotional, don't get me hard. I'm choking the bottle, I might jump on somebody.
I'm gonna wait for up here to dry before I irritate it and agitate it. So I'll come back once it's 100% dry to show you guys how it looks.
Sometimes when I get like this, I might wanna check up. I deserve it. With no cups out, I deserve it. Fully loaded in it.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you like how the curls turned out. I tried my best to make it look good. So yeah, I'll have the links down below for Klaiyi hair. Thank you for sending me this wig, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.